Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Once again, we welcome you to our Ielts videos, and this video is all about Ielts reading, and we are making this video from this beautiful resort. This is Jagran Resort, and the weather is awesome.
Yeah,
it's
and we are
getting
here
cold.
for you guys.
Especially, we traveled all the way from Lahore to this place. It's around 800-900 kilometers, and we came here to make these Ielts videos for you. So Shamaila, Ielts reading is the topic. What do you want to know?
Okay, my question is, well, after scanning and skimming, we know where is the answer.
Good.
See, now I need to know how can we read the passage very carefully.
All right. And by the way, let me tell them, if you haven't watched our videos on scanning and skimming, please watch them first, because skimming and scanning will take you where the answer is, and intensive reading or reading carefully will tell you to find the answer.
Exactly.
Okay, good, very good. Now listen. The first thing is, when you have reached and you realize that the answer is here, you need to go to the full stop before that idea. Very important. For example, you found the answer here and there are 5, 6, 7, 8 words, and then there is the full stop. So you need to start reading from the last full stop. Otherwise, this phrase will not make any sense. The first thing. So go back and start reading from there, the first thing. Second, as you read through the words, you should be able to visualize every word. If you're reading for some idea, if you're reading about the life of a person, like sometimes, you know, they talk about like Carrie, or they talk about some other guys like that, okay? So you need to visualize, and whatever you read, you should imagine that. For example, if they say, Robert got admission in Edinburgh University. Visualize Edinburgh University, visualize Robert like, yeah, Robert like this, okay?
Hello, Robert.
And then Julia. My name is Julia. Right, anyways, okay. Jokes aside.
Okay.
So, you should visualize Robert, you should visualize Edinburgh University, and Robert took admission there, right? So once you do this, as you read, ideas will stay with you. This is what we call retention, the first thing. Another thing, as you read, you need to keep in mind the synonym of those words. I mean, just why I'm saying that you need to visualize, do not pick up the words. Behind the words, there are ideas. Now, for example, if I say, I have lovely breakfast every morning. Just imagine, I have lovely breakfast. Now, the definition of lovely breakfast, you see the table is full and a lot of
So
food
many
stuff.
things.
Exactly. I have lovely breakfast every morning. Your brain creates images whenever you read. So you need to see, I mean, now Shamaila, just observe. Your brain will make the same images. I will change the sentence, but idea will be same, and your brain will create the same images. Now listen carefully. I have lovely breakfast every morning. I eat a very full breakfast every morning. Images are same. Exactly, right? Exactly. So this is what you guys need to do when you perceive the ideas, when you perceive what you read through visualizations. Then most definitely synonyms, or even if they change the word, they will not make any difference.
If you understand the thing,
Exactly.
like the sentence, what they
Why
are
not?
going to
Why
tell
not?
you.
Why not? So whatever you read it carefully, and what you read again, and when you are doing this, you need to go from question to passage, passage to question, and you have to do it time and again, because you want to see, okay, what's the question? The question is, okay, was he the first assistant of the man? Okay, now this, then again this, then again this, then again this, and then you realize, yeah, that is the answer, and you write down the answer. So intensive reading is all about this. Visualize what you read, pick up the ideas, perceive the ideas. Do not limit yourselves to the words only. Otherwise, for example, I eat healthy breakfast every morning, and you're looking for the word healthy. Healthy. Now, Shamaila, just listen. Two things. I eat healthy breakfast every morning, right? Now I'm going to change it. If I say I have a breakfast full of nourishment at 6 a.m. 6 a.m. morning, right? 6 a.m. morning, full of nourishment means healthy breakfast. So if you pick up the ideas, words are changed, they will not make any difference.
So we have to understand the meaning and the idea of the sentence.
Exactly,
Okay.
because through word you're going to perceive, you're going to receive the idea. So if you have a perception in that way, you will receive the right ideas, and even if the words are changed, you will be fine, you'll be able to find the answer. So this is all about careful reading.
Wow. I said,
Thank
wow,
you.
Wow, wow.
Yeah. No, say it again.
Wow.
Wow, 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 wow.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof. Ruff, ruff.
Ruff, ruff.
Woof, woof.
Woof, woof, ruff,
Wow, wow. Okay.
Okay.
That's great.
Okay.
Thank you very, very much, guys. Listen, I mean, this time of your life, these right circumstances which are going in your favor. See that, Shamaila, these IELTS candidates, their parents are willing to pay money. Their parents are ready to send them abroad. They are ready. I mean, they have the guardians. You have the guardians like umbrella. They are protecting you from all the troubles. Now, it's only up to you to work hard to achieve it.
Exactly.
And if you don't achieve it now, or in a couple of months, you don't get good bench score, then in future, it will be the you who will punch your eyes and cry. I couldn't do it, I couldn't do it. So I don't want you to use this punch to put on your eyes and then cry, I couldn't do it, I couldn't do it. My parents were willing to pay the money, everything was fine. I want you to use this punch in the future like this.
And hit the IELTS.
Yeah. Hit the IELTS. Yeah, hit the IELTS. Shamaila, don't say that. You know, sometimes students, they are like this. My teacher said, hit the IELTS. Jaake examiner de muh te
They are not
punch.
IELTS.
Yeah, exactly. Say, madam, you represent IELTS. Ta. Okay. So you should do it. Jokes aside, you should do it now. You are my students. I am teaching you wholeheartedly. From the bottom of my heart, I'm teaching you. So please do it. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub with
Shamaila Najam.
truly wish you
All the best.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Take care.
Khuda
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.